Oh yeah, you wanted a top for that.
Yeah, there's one. I'll order it. Bird poo.
What are you doing?
Clean all the bird poo off. I can't paint on top of bird poo.
Can you reach?
Might be able to, yeah. But there's loads of it. They've had a right field day. Target practice.
It's a tree. What are you doing?
Painting. Hammerite the roof. Because it's bright, shiny silver. And it sticks out like a sore thumb from the main road. And we don't want to attract any attention. Not because we're hiding anything, it's just the fact it's just...
In your face.
It's in your face, so...
You want this? I'll lean on.
I'm alright, thanks. I'll come down in a minute. I'm painting the chimney just here. Not the actual chimney itself. There we go. It's going to take a while because of all the bird poo. Look at it. Well, you can't see it, can you?
Well, do you want to take the camera off me?
No, you're alright. I'll have a look in a minute. I'll come down and we'll do it. I can do the edges better then.
I'll do the onion then.
Okay. Thank you. There we go. I've had to clean all the poo off as I go along. Yeah, that's what we got, yeah. So there you can see that's the worst bits over there. I must be sitting in the tree, probably laughing. But I think I'm not quite halfway yet. In the middle. But I'll do the sides from the ladder. Hurts your bum on this corrugated stuff. Right, there we go. That's the boring stuff that we can't crack. In onions, meat, and kidney. We've got no fat, so we put water in the bottom. So we're going to have a bit of a lamb stew. It looks like, I mean, it soon goes, but once it draws, it draws. So, you got that? Lovely. Here, Jane. Okay, beautiful little ovens. Once you get them going, they're going. Put a few more. I'll go and get. Ooh, stay there, stay there. What's that? Whoa. Whoa.
Paper in there.
Just open the door. Just open the door a bit.
Does that help, does it?
Yeah.
More oxygen. Yeah, got the middle bit. Not got a lot to do yet. Just the edges. It's good. Warming up.
Looking alright?
Yeah. Wait till it boils, I'll put the veg in.
Smell it?
Can you?
Yeah. Want to do it? It's alright.
How's it doing? Oh, we're boiling. Yay. Smells good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it smells gorgeous, honestly.
Smell the onion. First meal on the stove.
I am so looking forward to that. Right, back up the ladder. This is the last leg of poo, hopefully. My stupid paintbrush.
Your handle fell off. Steam a bit on top.
Go, bird poo clean. It's a bit of a mixed colour. I don't know if you can see the greenie in the bin because I didn't stir it properly. It's my fault. So I've got a bit of a camo roof. But there you go.
Stir it.
All done. Somewhere. The chimney's burning hot. But for that,
Use that before.
yep, works really well. Fill it full of water and away you go.
Do you want a coffee?
Yeah, can I have one if you want one? Right, close the lid, lift the handle. Always be careful with that.
Where's the little tap go?
But it doesn't matter, because once it gets hot, you can turn it round a bit.
Lift it up.
You can turn it round wherever you want, yeah? There you go. So, let that boil.
That's interesting.
Yeah. How hot are these bricks? Hold on. I'm not going to touch them. Oh, by God, I tell you what. If that goes out at night, you're going to be toasty warm. Or we're going to be toasty warm.
I'm not staying tonight.
No, we're not. Oh, look at that. I want to get. Shall I go and get some salt and pepper? Look at that. Can you see in there?
Yeah,
Beautiful, beautiful. I'll take that off in a minute. I'm just going to check the carrots. Oh. Yeah, they're done.
All done?
Yeah, all done.
I haven't got gravy or anything?
No, it doesn't matter.
No.
Healthy.
Right, somehow we've got to dish it.
Yes, without spilling it everywhere.
It's going to be interesting.
We
We can do it
didn't come
outside.
too prepared. We just came to do the. Just turn it right down. That's it.
Okay.
Juice coming out with it, so you have to have both, yeah?
Yeah. We'll pour a bit of juice off if you want.
Yeah, doesn't matter. I'll leave
There's
some
plenty there for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Plenty of green beans, lovely. I like that. Top. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
That's mine.
Oh,
Which one?
okay.
You want some more green beans?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, I'll have a sprout. I love sprouts.
Green beans and meat. Oh, pearl barley at the bottom if you can. Don't know if you can. Oh, yeah, that was a good pit. That'll do.
Oh, yeah,
Lovely.
sprout. I'm starving. This is our first meal today, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, I'm sorry, but gotta have him. I'm not gonna eat him straight away because he's gonna be red hot.
Oh, go on. Nope.
No. This is the first bit of meat. I've just had a kidney. It was beautiful. Sprout. Warms your hands up, so you definitely need your gloves on because you get burned. Hold on. Pill barley. Ooh. So, we're just going to have a quick cup of coffee before we go.
Not a spoon.
We've come with the most minimalist,
We've got a knife. I'll do. It's going to be hot.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Good tap, doesn't drip.
No. I'll put that down on the floor now and then let it cool down. It's really salty here.
You might have overfilled that, I think.
Sorry?
It's got sugar in it.
I'll fry it a little bit more, Jane, to get it going. Oh, look at that one, nice coming undone. Not much left in there, but it's absolutely
Leave it open. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Won't fall out, will it?
No. And the bricks. Woo, those
We
bricks,
need a-
you cannot... Now that's alright, because that means the floor's cold. So the floor's cold, but the bricks are just warm here, but
Got
there
legs
you
on
can't
it,
touch.
yeah.
What's these like? They're cold. So the side bricks and the back bricks. And that's nice and cool as well. Yeah. So they'll keep heating.
Do a little hearth.
Yeah, beautiful.
There's your coffee.
Thank you. Stirred with a fork.
Yes.
We got stuff, we just forgot to
It's a
bring it.
special fork stirrer.
It's a dingle hopper.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to like, subscribe, share, that would be great. Thank you very much, and we'll catch you in the next vid. From the shed.
From the shed.
The cabin.